underwater, I'm falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes, down deep and under.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to DAT Family 5. This is part 2 of the 12 days of Christmas decluttering. I really hope that y'all are enjoying it thus far. And go ahead and share this along with anybody. Make sure you get that cleaning motivation, that DIY inspiration, all those things for yourself to get something done today, okay? It don't have to be a 2-hour, 3-hour project. It can just be a 30-minute, 20-minute project, all right? So I hope y'all really enjoyed this thus far. If you haven't yet, go ahead and click the subscription box, turn the box red to gray to join the family. Don't forget to click the thumbs up for liking this video, and then don't forget to comment down below, what are you doing these 12 days? Are you decluttering? Are you cooking? Are you doing Vlogmas? Let us know what you're doing. Y'all have a good day, and we'll speak to you at the end of the video.
I don't know the reasons, I'm not sure I really care. We're all of our demons, if they ever disappear, I will forgive you if you've forgiven me. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it every time I look at you. You pull me back into your river, swim a little deeper. I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. Like the others, they do not need to know. You said you fall with me, no matter how deep it goes. With my head underwater. want me to hear you now.
Jingle, jingle, jingle with me now.
I got my love to keep me warm. Winter weather, I love the winter weather. 'Cause Christmas time is pulling us closer to each other. Winter weather, now we can get together.
Christmas time is pulling me closer to you.
Closer to you. Yeah.
I love the winter
I wanna get to know ya. Please, baby, please, baby, please. Winter weather, get together.
pulling me closer to you.
Closer to you.
Time goes by and yet I wonder, are you and me still the same? Are you still loving the game? I know I don't. You cast your spell and I went under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore. So I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door. Made a promise to myself and I repeat it in my head. Set your mind free, set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Made a promise to myself, this time I will keep it. Where there's a will, yeah, there's a way. With every smile, with every tear, I know I will make it. I'm gonna see a brighter day. Oh, 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 a brighter day, a brighter day. Oh, a brighter day. Time goes by and yet I wonder, why do we put each other through hell? Why can't we just get over ourselves? I know I should. You cast your spell and I went under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore. Yeah, so I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door. Yeah, made a promise to myself and I repeat it in my head. Set your mind free, set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Oh, hey, yeah. Oh, oh, right, yeah, yeah. Oh, made a promise to myself, this time I will keep it. Where there's a will, yeah, there's a way. With every smile, with every tear, I know I will make it. I'm gonna see a brighter day, brighter
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else.
We really hope that y'all are enjoying all this motivation to declutter something in your house. It doesn't have to be 2 hours. It doesn't have to be 3 hours. It can be 10, 15, maybe even 20 minutes. Just do something to get yourself started for today. And as always, we are the family that loves life and having fun and give you the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Thank you for spending your precious time with us because time is precious. Y'all have a blessed day.
Longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.